Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 28 and our topic is animals are special. So now let's learn about animals. Horse, Horse, horse. So here we can see a photograph of horse, and you all know about horse. Horse are four-legged animals that have been around us human for a really long time, and horse have around 205 bones in their skeleton, and horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years, and horses have bigger eyes than any other mammal that live in a land, and because horse eyes are on the side of their head, they are capable of seeing a nearly 360 degrees at a time. So horses are a four-legged animals and that have been around us human for a really long time. And you know that horse can run very fast than any other animals, and horse have a bigger eyes than any other mammals and live on a land, and because of horse eyes are on the side of their head, they are capable of seeing a nearly 360 degrees at a time. So horse has a can sleep both laying down and standing up. So here we can see horse live in a stable, and horse can sleep both laying down and standing up, and horses can run shortly after a birth. Domestic horses have a lifespan of around 25 years, and horses are herbivorous animals, means plant eaters. Horses can eat grass, vegetables, and leaves, and horses have bigger eyes than any other mammals that live on a land. So horses can sleep both lying down and standing up, and horses can run shortly after a birth. And domestic horses have a lifespan of around 25 years. So, children, you all are understand about horse. So now we are going to learn next slide, and it's a elephant. Elephant, elephant. So here we can see a photograph of elephant. So elephants are mammals of the family Elephantine and the largest existing land animals. And you all know that elephant have a four leg, two eyes, two big ears, one trunk, and one tail. And the African bush elephant, and the African forest elephant, and Asian elephant. So, elephant is the only surviving family of the old order Proboscidea. Existing member include the mastodons. So, elephant have a four leg, two big teeth, and two big ear, and one tail, and one trunk. So children, you all are understand about elephant. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a dog. So you all know about dog. Here we can see a photograph of dog. So dogs is one of the most popular animals in the world, and it was one of the first animal to be domesticated or trained for use by humans. And dogs make great pets and are man's best friend. So dog is one of the most popular animal in the world, and you know that dogs have a pose, and dogs have four legs, two eyes, two ear, and one tail. And dogs are man's best friend. And also dogs live in a cannon. So here we can see photograph of cannon. So dog live in a cannon. And dog have four legs and make a bark, woof or off sound. And dogs often chase cats, and most dogs will fetch a ball or a stick. And dogs can smell and hear better than humans, but cannot see well in color because they are color blind. So dogs can smell and hear better than humans, but cannot see well in a color because they are color blind. And dogs live in a cannon. Or dogs are omnivorous animals. They eat both flesh, mutton, and then also bread, biscuit, and also most like a bread and biscuit. So dogs are omnivorous animals. They eat both. So children, you all are understand about dogs. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a squirrel. So here we can see a photograph of squirrel. So squirrels has a bushy tail. Here we can see squirrels has a bushy tails and typically have a slender bodies with a bushy tail and large eyes, and their fur is soft and silky, and the color of squirrel is highly variable between a species. So the hind limb and longer than the forelimb, and they have a 4 or 5 toes and each paw. So, squirrel is characterized by the ability to plant and collect food bushily. So, we find a different color in a squirrel, brown, black and white, and gray. So, there are different types of color in a squirrel. And squirrel has a bushy tail, and mostly squirrel eat fruits and also bread, biscuit, and etc. So children, you all are understand about squirrel. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's the fish. So the physical characteristic of fish. The fish have a fins and tail which help them move, and their skin is covered in scales which protect their body. So the fish has a tail and fins that help them to move. So now duck, duck, duck. So children, here we can see a photograph of duck. So ducks are mostly ducks. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds, mostly smaller than the swan and geese, and many be found in both fresh water and sea water. So, dogs are sometimes confused with several types of unrelated water birds with a similar form, such as lawns or divers and grabes and gallinos and cots. So, dogs are a mostly aquatic bird, mostly smaller than the swan and geese, and may be found in both uh, fresh water and sea water. And dogs are eat fish, and also dogs are sometimes confused with several types of unrelated water birds with a similar forms, such as loons or divers and crabs and gallinulas and cots. So, children, you all are understand about dogs. Now we are going to learn next slide. It's the ostrich. Ostrich. So here we can see a photograph of ostrich. So the ostrich is a large flightless bird that live in Africa, and they are the largest living bird species and have biggest eyes of all living birds. And ostriches do not fly but can run faster than any other bird. And they are retired a useful grouping of a medium to large flightless bird. So, ostriches have the biggest eyes of all land animals, and ostrich is a large flightless bird that live in Africa, and they are the largest living bird species and have the largest egg of all living birds. So, ostriches do not fly but can run faster than any other bird. So here we can see a running ostrich. So ostriches have a long legs and long neck, and but have a small head. And male ostriches have a black feathers, and female ostriches have a gray and brown feathers. So both male and female have white feathers on their wings and tails. And male ostriches can be 1.8 or 2.7 meters, 6 or 9 feet tall, while female ostriches are 1.7 2 meters or 5.5 or 6.5 feet tall. So they can run with a speed of about 65 km per hour and 40 miles per hour. So ostriches have a long legs and long neck, but they have a small head. Here we can see in a picture long neck and long leg and long neck, but have a small head and have a feathers. A male ostrich have a black feathers, and female ostrich have a gray feathers, but gray or a brown feathers. But both male and female have a white feather in a tail and also wing. So here we can find a white feather in a tail and wing. And ostrich can run fast than any other birds, and also do not fly. And ostrich is a have a largest eggs of living birds, biggest egg, and mostly we find ostrich in Africa or South India Campus, and is a large flightless bird, and they are a retired useful grouping of medium to large flightless bird, and ostrich have a biggest eyes of all land animal. So children, you all are understand about ostrich. So now we are going to learn our next slide, and it's a cuckoo. So here we can see a photograph of cuckoo. Cuckoo is a family of bird. The cuckoo feed insects and live and a variety of other animals as well as fruit and some species of broad plastic laying their eggs in the nest of other species. But the cuckoo is a bird that laying their eggs in other birds, and also the cuckoo sings beautifully, and mostly we find cuckoo eat fruit and also a sweet. So cuckoo is color in black and brown or a gray, and eyes is red in color. So children, you all are understand about cuckoo. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a lion. Lion, lion. So here we can see a photograph of lion, running lion. So lions are the only cats that live in a group, and a group or a pride can be up to 30 lions, and depending on how much food and water is available. So the female lions are the main hunters while they are out looking for a food, and a male guard is a pride's territory and their young. So lions have a four leg, sharp teeth, and one tail, and tawny coat and fur. So the group of prides can be to 30 lions, and depending to how much food and water is available. So lions are the only cats that live in a group, and lions are the only cats that live in a group, and female lions are the main hunters while they are out looking for a food, and lions live in a den. So here we can see lions live in a den. Lions are a large carnivorous mammals that belong to the family of felines. So, lions are a large carnivorous mammals. Lions eat flesh of other animals, and they have a tiny coat with a long tough tail, and nearly all wild lions live in a sub-Saharan Africa, but one small population of Asiatic lions exists in India's Gir forest. So, Asiatic lions and African lions are a subspecies of the same species. So, lions are a large carnivorous mammals. They eat flesh of other animals, and mostly we find Saharan Africa lions live, but small population of Asiatic lions exist in India's Gir forest. So children, you all are understand about the lion. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a cheetah. So here we can see a photograph of cheetah. So cheetah is a very fast animal and also a carnivorous animal. They eat flesh of other animals, and also they hunt the other animal. So the cheetah can run very very fast quickly about 100 km per hour but only at the short distance. So quickly it can run just maximum 500 meters. It is the fastest animal on the planet. So cheetah can run very fast and also cheetah is a big cat. We find its look like a big cat and cheetah have a four leg and a long body and long tail. So cheetah is a very fast animal and very about 200 km per hour but only at the short distance. So children, you all are understand about cheetah. So in today's lecture we learn about different types of animals. We firstly learn about a horse. That horse can run very fast and it's have been around us human for a really really long time and have around 205 bones in their skeleton, and horses have been domesticated for over 5000 years. And horses have a bigger eyes than any other mammals and that live on a land. And because of their eyes on the both side on the side of their head, so they are capable of seeing nearly 360 degrees at one time. Then we learn about that a horse can sleep both lying down and standing up. And horses are a herbivorous animal, means a plant eaters. They eat plants, grass, and leaves and vegetables. Then we learn about elephants. So elephants have four leg, two big ear, one tail, and one trunk. Then we learn about dogs. So dog is a domesticated animal and man's best friend. And also dogs have a pose. And we learn that dogs live in a canon and better smell better but cannot see well in a color because he is color blind. And that Squirrel has a bushy tail and large eyes and their fur is soft and silky. And color of squirrel is highly variable between a species. Then fish. And so fish have a fins and tail which help them to move. And dogs. So dogs have does not have uh, horn. So it's a true sentence is that ducks are mostly aquatic birds and smaller than the swan. Then ostrich. So ostrich can run very fast but cannot fly and big flightless and large flightless bird and the largest eggs of all living beings birds and long neck and also a long leg but small head. Then Coco. So Coco is sing beautifully, but Coco birds that laying eggs in other birds of nest. Then lions. So lions are only cats that live in a group, and also lions eat flesh of other animals and live in a den and have a 20 coat with a long toughed tail. Then cheetah. So cheetah can run very fast and look like a big cat and have a long body and long tail and run very fast. So children, in today's lecture we learn about different types of animals. So now we are going to learn exercise on our topic. So unit number 28, animals are special. Our topic is animals are special. So children, you all are write this exercise with me. Unit number 28, animals are special. Write T for a true and F for a false. So, number first, the horse has a trunk. So, is it a true or false? It's a false. A horse has no trunk. Now, number two, the elephant has a two tasks. So, it's a true or false? Elephant has a two tasks. No, elephant has uh, no two tasks. So then number three, the dogs does not have hose. So it's a true sentence. The dogs does not have a hose. So now number four, the squirrel has a bushy tail. So it's a true or false? Yes, it's a true. Squirrel has a bushy tail. So it's a true sentence. Very good. So now number four, that the now number five, the fish has a poof. So is it a true or false? Yes, it's a true false. The fish has no pores. So now next, the ducks does not have a horn. So it's a true or false? So it's a true. Duck does not have horns. Now number 7, the ostrich is the largest bird. So it's a true or false? Yes, it's a true. Ostrich is the largest bird. Okay, now number 8, the cuckoo sings beautifully. So is it true or false? Yes, it's a true. Cuckoo sings beautifully. Now number 9, the lion eats grass and leaves. So is it true or false? Lion eat grass? No, it's a false. Lion don't eat grass. Lion eats the flesh of other animals or hunt other animals. It's a carnivorous animal. Now number 10 and last, the cheetah run very fast. So is it true or false? Yes, it's a true. Cheetah run very fast. So children, you all are understand in this lesson. So hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time, and also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.